Hi everyone, this is my review of the Vallejo Diorama Effects Transparent Water. And this is a great little product that I have not used before, but I've been playing around with it with the last couple of weeks, and I really love it. Now, it is a goop, and it looks like white toothpaste when it comes out. I'll just dip my little brush in here. So it comes out very smooth and shiny like that. But when you apply it and leave it to set, it sets absolutely transparent. But the neat thing is you can add pigments or washes into the goop, and this will create different effect. So when it goes on white and then it dries, it's absolutely transparent. So for instance, if you've made a pond, for instance, out of using the still water, you can then add the transparent water to create ripples on the surface. So maybe there's a fish in there or somebody's thrown a stone in there, and you create these ripple effects, and the white dries totally transparent, and it looks an amazing effect. I've used it here. You can also use dyes or pigments or washes into the transparent water, and this is how you can make more at sea or in a fast-moving river. You can create those little ripples and whirlpools, etc., or waves. So fantastic for a whole lot of different uses. I think you will be having a lot of fun with it. If you've never tried the Vallejo Transparent Water Effect, I'm really enjoying it. 5 out of 5 from me.